Hi and hello world. Welcome to the Skills Station. I'm Jennifer. Today we are going to look at 6 color idioms and their meanings. Color idiom means a idiomatic expression which involves a word that is related to color. The first idiom is be in the black. If we refer this to a person, it means he or she is making profit, being successful, having a lot of money in account, earning a lot of money more than spending, which means their income is more than their expense. You can use this in a sentence like, she is in the black, so she need not worry about buying a new house. The second idiom is to feel blue. It means being sad, depressed, unhappy and glum. You can use this in a sentence like, I have been feeling blue ever since me and my best friend got into a fight and stopped talking to each other. The third one is white lie. It means a small or a harmless lie. Let's see how to use this in a sentence. At times, it is better to tell a white lie than to hurt someone's feeling. Fourth one is paint the town red. It means being wildly extravagant and to have a very great time enjoying flamboyantly. In a sentence, it can be used like, hooray! I have won the lottery. I'm going to paint the town red tonight. The fifth one is tickled pink, which means happy, extremely pleased and delighted. Let's see how it is used in a sentence. My parents were tickled pink when I gave them a surprise gift with my first month's salary. The sixth idiom is yellow bellied. It is used to refer a coward person or a person who is not brave enough. In a sentence, it can be used like, she is too yellow-bellied to stand up for her rights. Thank you for watching. If you really like my channel and looking forward to learn many things, make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. I'll meet you all again in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.